Hello guys. One of my subscribers on YouTube asked me how do I transfer my biogas into another storage. So I'll be showing here in this video how do I transfer biogas. So I have a small biogas bag here, and this one is my larger biogas storage. So I'm going to transfer biogas from this storage into this storage. So I'll be using this one. This is a repurpose air pump, usually used in inflatable pool. So I'm using this, and I've already modified this and attached fittings like this one half, and then these fittings here also 1/2 PVC, and it's 12 volts. So I'll attach this. I'll be using 12 volts adapter.
You might ask, what is the purpose of this video? I'm transferring biogas from larger storage to a smaller storage. Well, I'm showing you a business opportunity in this video. Imagine you have a surplus of biogas production in your biogas digester. Now you can sell your surplus biogas into your neighbor, especially if you are in a location where you are still using firewood, charcoal, or other biomass briquette, because biogas is soot-free and very clean fuel. But of course, there's always advantage and disadvantage of using biogas. What I'm showing you here is a potential business opportunity using biogas.
Before I transfer biogas, I will have to check first for its flame. So it's a flammability test. Not sure if it's visible, but it's already burning right now. So the fire is almost very small or invisible because there's no pressure in my gas bag right now. Then I have to attach this to the input. Valve is on. Also valve here is also on. Then turn on the power supply. Oops. We've got a problem. My gas bag ripped apart. So I have to fix this again. I'll be back later. So we're back, and I've already fixed the problem of this gas bag, the rip section. So I've already fixed it. And let's try another. Let's add another gas on it. is it. This is just a sample of this kind of gas storage and the way I transfer the gas.